Hey everybody, welcome back to Veteranbassin. If you're new to the channel, go on and hit that subscribe button, click that like, and click that notification bell for any new content. Also, drop a comment on something you would like to see me do. Well, the video where I did a giveaway, I had somebody come in and ask for a catch and cook. So we're not really going for bass right now. We're not, you know what I'm saying? That's just what it is. What we are going to do, however, we're going for a crappie and brim, mostly to see, you know what I'm saying, so that OGM can show you the cooking portion. So that's what we're doing today. So I got some crappie jigs. Oh, and I'm glad it's early in the morning. That's why you see me out the shade. But I'm gonna grab some crappie jigs. We're gonna get out here and we're gonna get the fishing before the sun gets up high, because I still want to do one more video. With that being said, let's get out there. Yeah. It rained a little bit, and well, we weren't going for bass, but I'll take it. Oh, that was on the first cast too. That might have been a bad look kind of deal. All right. Well, there's that little fella. So OGM is going for everything. I'm going for the crappie and the bass specifically. Can't believe I caught one on the first go. You got a little tappy coming. He was right there past that log. Nothing. I'm trying to find where these crappie are. This is the same area we fished last time that yeah, we started tearing the brim up. Not really, there was some big brim too. Oh, I forgot that. The stumps and stuff, I'm gonna have to retie. I caught that fish on the first go, and now I'm having all kind of bad luck. Well, OGM, I don't know what she got a 3-pounder, and she was pulling.
I said something on there, and it was.
Yeah. How'd your hook get like that? I mean, your worm get like this? Oh, okay.
If it been a fish, you wouldn't have got away with it.
He sure wouldn't have. Oh, snap. There we go. All right, let's get back to tying on. I thought she was fighting something good too, buddy. Yeah. Okay, where's my line at? So here's the one thing that I learned. For some reason, carpy love the color pink. They love the color pink, and I learned that chartreuse and black color is more for the brim. Now, that's what I learned from when I fish. A beater bug. Oh, the little jigs. Oh, okay. A little beater bug. Okay. Is that catfish? Okay. So there is cat in here.
Huh?
There is catfish in here.
He pulled good too. I just see it happen. Look at that. Look.
Hold on.
See?
Yeah, let's get a closer look at this guy. That OGM. That's a nice cat.
That nice cat. He pulled good too.
Yeah, nice, nice cat. Okay, we got OGM pretty much good to go. So now I can go ahead and fish because she got her a little crop spin. Also crappie spin. What the world? She got her a crop. Dang! Talking to y'all. I was talking to y'all at the time. But she got her a crappie lure. We gonna I can't talk. Let me go ahead and fish. Huh. Let me see that part. Let me see that rod right there. Let me see that rod, the orange one. Why you fishing with that real quick? They was starting something, then you look like they just turned off.
Hey, what happened, Jay? Hey, I ain't seen Frankie.
And I mean, they just turned straight off. I'm gonna try to swim one right by you.
You know, it's a cool morning for August.
It is. But it's supposed to be like in the 70s this morning.
Putting a piece of bait on, so if it's a big one, he'll go, oh, gonna try me like that.
Okay, Perchy, where are you? Finally. Yeah. Good gracious. I got you in the top of the mouth. And you weren't going nowhere. Do I got my... Yes, I do got my pliers. Okay. Whew. And there he goes. That little guy. So far, the catching part is going pretty well. Well, somewhat pretty well. Let me say that. That was the second one I caught, so the curse is over with from catching one on the first go round. OGM is working that stump over there, and I mean she's working it. And the sun is finally starting to come up. I might as well talk about the crappie fishing here, considering the fact that I can't fish it downwards. So I'm swimming it through the water column and seeing if I can get some reaction strikes. And the only reason I really can't video game fish or, you know, like talking about it is because, well, I'm not in the boat. Yeah. For this catch and cook, you know, we decided not to do the boat thing. OGM is grabbing something from the truck and about to get back out there, get ready to... Oh, you're bent. You're bent out, no wonder. Okay. Let's see if I can bend you back out. I know, don't, ain't truth. That is the truth. Feet just wet as I don't know what. But I still come out here just like this too.
It's just worth
it. It is. Bass. Nice size bass too on live worm. OGM. He said some more out there. OGM is over here. Doing it big with the catfish. Which, well, I'm not going to show it on camera because YouTube have a thing about, you know what I'm saying, skinning animals and so forth, so on, and that whole deal. But let me see about getting him unhooked. I got him. You ain't going down without a fight, huh? There.
I had that tail end of that face. I said, leave it like that. I said, okay, something to keep this back. Oh, catfish couldn't take it. All that tail just wiggling there.
Yeah, I'm getting hung up. I'm getting hung up on everything.
Huh?
I said, I'm getting hung up on everything. Like you got the hot ride today. Hot pole, hot ride, how you want to call it, cause after those 3 bites, I'm still working on the 4th one. You over here pulling them in. So I'm hanging up on everything out here. I still got my bait though. Thank goodness. So I came over here to this pocket to see if I get anything. I'm not getting a bite for nothing. Like I'm picking through the grass, but I'm not getting a bite. Another cat? Well, I might change the name of this video to Catfish Catch and Cook instead of just Catch and Cook. Another cat. Okay. Where is it at? Ugh. And you got him in the nose. Be still. And he got a big old head. Look at that bad boy. Now holding a catfish, if you don't want to be finned, if you notice how I got around him, it helps you out not to be finned. I kind of figured you were going to do that.
Jumped out, didn't it?
Yeah.
Bucket one-sided. Maybe we need to put the bucket level up.
Stay there. Let's bring the bucket up here. Yeah. Okay. I would think that this red eye would work good. This white with the red eyes, easy to see. But apparently, the fish ain't feeling it. And I'll keep getting hung. Yeah, you might need to come a little shallower. If you get one, and I've been swimming this darn thing, I'm gonna be mad. You getting hit on that other one. Right there, that white, red one. She doing the, OGM doing the pole dance.
You see that?
I was trying to do Miss Water.
Check it out my hand, I tell you. I'm trying to jiggle it.
Look there. Got you. Little cell. Come here. There we go. Right at the top of the mouth. Okay. Brim galore. Look. That's that red cord.
Ouch.
Look at that. Now that's a tiny bass. Yeah, get them big with time to grow. But this is a little. I'm surprised he even came for this darn thing. All right. Catch me see if I can catch me one more. Then I'm gonna call it quits. Well, as you can tell, I'm in a whole new outfit. Check your boy out. But in any case, we had a pretty daggum good. We caught 42 in all. Some of them we are not going to cook right now. You know, save them for later, wrap them up in a bag. But we are going to cook a few. So we're gonna get the pallet light started here and get the grease up there, get it started getting it warmed up, and let's get it started cooking. So while the fish is, while the fish grease is warming up, we went on ahead, and forgive me for my little tin plate, but you know what I'm saying, I use it, a pie plate, to put the season on the fish, right? Then we mix a little bit of meal with a crispy fish fry, you know, from Louisiana. And here's our mixture right here. So let's give the grease time to warm up and we'll get to it. Oh, party foul on the fish meal. But in any case, I'm taking my fish and I'm gonna drop it in the meal and shake it up. Hopefully, well, I ain't gonna be able to get all of them in. But the grease is not there yet, but we're gonna get it there. It's getting there, we'll say that. So, I don't know, I might can get all of them in there. I might can. I wouldn't. Nah, I say those two for a little bit later on. You know what? With the HE double hockey sticks, we'll throw them in there. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all that OGM was supposed to be the one doing the cooking part. Yes, I know, you know what I'm saying, while we was out there, she caught, you know what I'm saying, better than I did, but she was going for brim and pretty much whatever would bite. I was going strictly for bass. So, did she beat me? Technically, yes, but we all seen that she was going just for bass. I would have won, and you know what I'm saying, I'd have caught more, but because she went for everything, that's the only reason she caught more than me.
No, don't put the camera on you.
We all know what the truth is.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I said.
If you'd have just been fishing for bass, I'd have won. Yeah, I'm burning the grease. I can go ahead and drop them in. So, we're gonna place them in there. Woo! Had a little splatter up on my hand. I don't eat fish. OGM does, and OGM wants them fried hard. I'll probably end up calling OGM over to check the fish for how hard she want them fried. She want them fried as hard as y'all seen at the last Catch and Cook. That she want them fried so hard that you can actually eat the body and the bones and everything. So now we got the fisher taste tester here. We got OGM to see how I did on my first time frying fish and frying them hard.
I bet she's still good hot.
Mm-hmm.
It might be still good and hot because, you know what I'm saying, not too long it came off.
Look like it's about burnt.
It looked like it. Like you said you wanted.
It's feeling right.
So what you think? Is it fried hard enough?
That'll tell tale right there. That's where I like it.
It's a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay.
That's where the pulley at. Most people call it them little pull up on.
Yeah.
The side, but real bone.
Uh-huh. Well, my first official cook. The last time we did a catch and cook, OGM, she cooked it and she cooked it hard. Like I say, I don't eat fish in the bone, so I don't fry them. But in any case, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell, and comment on anything else you would like to do. To the guy, I can't remember your screen name, but to the guy who wanted me to do the catch and cook, there you go. You know what I'm saying? As a matter of fact, I might put your screen name up there, you know what I'm saying, as the one who asked me to do the catch and cook. But with that being said, hope to see you guys up on the water. 1.